this is Sam and Ashley. Sam's putting on her fake nails, and we thought this would be a perfect opportunity for her to burp as much as she possibly can while doing her nails. So this is going to be a special episode. She should be doing it every second practically.
Ugh, I just ate too though.
like on the phone before. She's up to 2. Let's see if she can get to 10.
Your appointment is back on for Saturday morning at 9:30.
Okay, well, I'll be in my yard.
2. Her goal is 14 since her birthday's this Saturday. 3. 14 burps since you're since you're turning 14. 14 burps. So you're at 3. 4.
10 more, Jesus.
Yep. Almost the camera dies, which in that case would be very unfortunate. We should bring this in the pool tonight. Okay, 4.
Oh, shit.
We can get rid of that too.
Six. 7.
I only have 10.
I thought you were going to 14.
10 more after 14.
7. Okay, 7. You're at 7 right now. 8. Let me shut the door so it doesn't annoy your mom.
No, it's fine.
Okay, 8. The last one has to be your loudest. 8. 9. Make these your last loudest. 10. 4 more. 'Happy birthday. 11. 3 more. But yeah, you're at 11. 12.
I have 2 more! I got 2 more.
Shut the door.
Okay, well, I got 2 more.
12. Okay, make the 13 only a little, and then the 14 is the loudest ever. 13, this is to be the loudest out of all of them.
One more?
Yeah, 1 more. The loudest.
Ugh, that was gross.
Hi, Olive. How's your dad's person? Nice. Oh, Mr. Russo, here's your bag of corn nuts. You
Whoa!
Okay.